Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we will finish solving paper 1, Computer Science, AS, May, June 2023, variant 2. In the previous videos, we solved from 1 up to 5. You can find link in description. Today we'll solve the last two questions, 6 and 7. Okay, number 6, draw the logic circuit for this logic expression. Our rule is bracket first. So we'll draw this bracket, then draw this bracket, and then connect two brackets by this AND. So R will be XOR with S. So we have an XOR gate. Have the inputs R and S. That's the first part. The second part, not T nor B. So we have nor gate and not T. So T will move on the not and B. These two brackets are ANDed with each other. So we have an AND gate. Have these two inputs, and the output will be Z. Second part, complete the truth table for this logic expression. Not B or Q first, B nor R nor Q second, and then XOR. So not B, let's say not B will be B bar, the reverse of B, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Or Q, so any B bar or Q have to give me the output 1. Let's name it at M. So M will be 1, 1, 1, 1. And for the Q, these are ones, and the rest will be zeros. Okay, the second bracket, let's name it as N. R nor Q, R nor Q. So R nor Q. So R or Q will be 0, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0 for nor. This is 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So just two zeros will give me the 1 between R and Q. This. So this will be 1 and two zeros. This will be 1 and the rest will be zeros. So Z is XOR, so difference equal 1, similar equal 0. So M and N, these are similar, so it will be 0. This difference 1, this is different 1, this is different 1, this is different 1. Those is similar, so it will be 0. This difference 1, this difference 1. So that's the truth table. Okay. The last question in the exam, software developer is working in a team writing a program for a client. The developer writing new program library to be used by other team members. Define the term program library. Program library is the pre-written and tested subroutine which can be called, can be imported in the programs and called when needed. So program library is a pre-written and pre-tested and compiled subroutines which can imported to the program and called when needed. Okay, explain two benefits of the developer by choosing creating dynamic link library DLL. DLL, we just use the link to the library. We don't copy all the library to the program. So make it reduce reduce space in this memory, and the executable file size will be smaller. And when we make some changes in dynamic link library, we don't need to recompile the program because the program don't import. He just link to the library. So we can write less space needed in the main memory as the dynamic link library is loaded only once when linking. When make changes in the dynamic link library, there is no need to recompile the program because we treat the dynamic link library separately. Okay. Number B, the developer team needs to use translator while writing the program for the client. Identify whether the interpreter or a compiler would more appropriate at this stage of the program development. Justify your choice. In fact, we can use a compiler or interpreter, but developers mainly like interpreter for many reasons. So this mark will take about justification, not the choice. As the interpreter can be tested in each or executed line by line, so it can be in each stage can be tested, and any errors can be found immediately. Moreover, if something it doesn't work, the rest will be can be complete. So the translator will be interpreter. As the developer make a real-time changes, the program can test it and debug at each stage, and the effects will be done immediately as the interpreter translate and execute line by line. So if one section doesn't work. The other sections can still be tested. Okay. Number C, the development team uses an integrated development environment IDE. Complete the table by describing the typical feature found in an IDE. Breakpoints stop the code at a specific line to check the process or the progress. So breakpoints will be stop the code at a specific line to check the progress. Dynamic syntax checks. This will highlight any errors if it happened when entered the code. So when entered the code, errors will be highlighted. Okay, context sensitive prompts that will automatically complete the statements. So it is automatically complete instructions or statements. Okay, since stepping is run the code one line at a time. So since stepping is run the code one line at a time. Okay. One section of program being developed to convert user speech into commands. Explain how the artificial intelligence AI can be used in this program. AI will use speech recognition. So using speech recognition as identifying a keyword and compare this with a pre-stored data in database and then generate the most likely word. And that's it. This is the end of the exam. Thanks for watching. See you next video.